If you purchased one of these Coleman golf carts from one of the big box stores, or perhaps you purchased a Kandi Cruiser, they're pretty much identical machines. You'll notice that there's kind of a glove box area right here on driver and passenger side. You can store stuff in there, tools, insurance cards if you're going to drive this on the road. You can even throw your wallet in there. However, there's no doors. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install doors on this golf cart. They're not lockable, but you can make them lockable. Doors look like this right here. It's just kind of a push button, open up style door. You can take these out and get locks. You can go to Menards, Lowe's, or Home Depot and get a keyed lock put in here if you want to lock them. But they come with just a push button style. But at least it will keep stuff inside there from falling out. So I'm just going to show you how to install these. I'll put a link in the description below to how to buy them also. Very easy to install. Just follow along. We'll get this done in under 30 minutes. So if you take a look right here, this is that empty spot I'm talking about, kind of on the driver's side. There's really no lip right here. So whatever you put in here basically will fall out if you're not watching it. Now this is the driver's side door. They are left and right, so you can't really put them on wrong. I've just noticed that this molds right in. Kind of almost looks like it came out of the factory that way. Now to install them, there's going to be 2 screws on each side, right here and here. They do come with the screws. You basically got to hold it in place and put the screws in at the same time. Now, I highly recommend you don't use a power drill or a power driver. This is all just plastic. Just use a regular screwdriver. All you want to do is tighten that up till it's snug. The driver's side is done. As you can see, it basically looks like it came out of the factory that way. Fits in there perfectly. You just got to push the button, comes down. The only bad thing about the driver's side one, it does hit the steering column, so it doesn't open up all the way. And when you close it, you just want to give it a little bit of a push in to hold it in place. And like I said, you can get locks at your local hardware store if you want these to lock. We'll go ahead and do the same thing on the passenger side. So here's the passenger side. Basically the same thing. There's a good amount of space in there to store stuff, but it's all flat. There's no lip on the front, so everything basically falls out. So let's go ahead and get this door installed. Same thing on this side. You basically just hold this frame in either on the top or bottom, whatever's most comfortable. And then just push in really hard with these screws. If you use a magnetic tip screwdriver, helps the best. Just push in, start turning, and these screws will go right into place. And as soon as they get snug, stop torquing the screw. All there is to it. Basically about 20 minutes of your time, a little patience, 1 screwdriver, and you got your doors on. This is kind of a must-have mod for this thing. If you can put your wallet, insurance card in there, if you're driving this around the local streets, or maybe you want to put a couple hand tools in there, whatever you need, put it in there, close it up. It's not going to fall out. You don't have to worry about it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.